Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your phone on Flipkart. First, it's important to understand Flipkart's process for pre-owned devices. Begin by checking your phone's eligibility and getting an estimated market value. This helps set realistic expectations. Also, make sure to gather all essential documents, such as the original purchase bill and any accessories like the charger and earphones. These items can significantly increase your phone's resale value and streamline the selling experience. Before selling, securing your personal data is crucial. Start by backing up everything, photos, contacts, messages, and important files, to a cloud service or an external hard drive. Next, ensure you remove all linked accounts, including your Google account, Apple ID, and any social media profiles, to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, perform a full factory data reset. This step completely wipes all your information, returning the phone to its original, out-of-the-box state, making it safe for the next owner. Once your data is secure, focus on the phone's physical presentation. Give it a thorough cleaning, wiping away all dust, smudges, and fingerprints from the screen and casing. Next, carefully inspect the device for any physical damage, such as scratches, dents, or cracks, and be prepared to accurately disclose these. Finally, ensure the phone is charged to at least 50% battery life. This allows the buyer or Flipkart's representative to easily power it on and conduct a quick inspection. Now it's time to list your phone on Flipkart. Head to the Sell Old Phone section within the Flipkart app or website and follow their straightforward, guided process. Be sure to provide accurate and honest details about your phone's exact model, its current condition, and any minor or major damage. Once listed, you'll schedule a pickup. On the day, have your phone, all original accessories, and the purchase bill ready for the Flipkart representative. This ensures a smooth and successful transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.